Hello. What's happening? I don't know if my phone's going to be alive this long, but we're going to try it. What do you know? Happy Monday, everybody. It is Monday, isn't it? Man, oh man. Where does time go? What happened? Where's my stuff? Uh-oh. There it is. Oh, it's going to do that stuff again on me. I'm not going to be able to see my TikTok chat. That's crazy. Nope. It's so the okay. The box seats algorithm is $250 for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that. For if you use the email boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Otherwise, it's $1,500 for the premium each month. We also have manual alerts that are $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Or you can take the digital mentorship and learn how to manually trade. So 4 different options basically. But you could do whatever you want. You could do all of them. It's totally up to you. If you want to try the box seats algorithm out for 2 weeks, it's $250. Then it's $1,000 a month after that. Box seats ES new 1 for 2750 today. NQ early 1 for 225. And NQ new 1 for 350. So that's over $3,000 on one mini contract that the box seats algorithms made today. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. How's everybody doing? I don't know why I can't get the other chat to pop up and stay up on my screen, but it's kind of annoying. So I'll have to watch on here. MNHPVS, hello. What's the difference between all your bot and which ones are the best to use depending on market conditions? So the one you're watching right now, NQ Santa, it's our scalper algorithm. When it's a volatile market, this does really good. As you can see right now, we're in a $1,200 short. It was already in a $4,000 long earlier today, but this does take a lot of trades, so you have to be careful. But right now we're green 3,600, 3,700 on the day with this algorithm, trading one mini contract. But the box seats algorithms are more conservative. They only take 1 or 2 trades a day, and they've done really well today as well. So the premium algorithms like Gridlock, they've done really good today. Big Bang ES is over 2,600 today. NQ Visual Long's over $2,000 today. So it kind of just depends on how much you're willing to risk per trade, what your account size is, and things like that. But they're all profitable. Can I use box seats to pass an eval? Yeah. Robert, what's happening? Trump got this market going buck wild. Yeah, that's for sure. I don't know what he said. What was that pop? Who knows? I mean, it could be Trump speaking, could be news. I don't know. I don't follow the news. I just don't trade. In a market like this, you got to size down. Unless you have an absolutely massive buffer or account size and you know what you're doing, you need to be very careful in this type of market. Just grab your 2-300 on micros because it'll do that. What did Trump even say? Anything? Was it something about the T word? Probably. That was a bounce if I ever seen one, from 17,250 all the way up to 17,550. Just a casual 300-point bounce in 5 minutes. Back down here under 17,350 now. Crazy way to make a lot or lose a lot today. I know Kenny made a lot. Made more in one day than most people make in a year. And that's a fact, Jack. Have you ever seen this before? No. I've never seen the market move like this before. But I've only been doing it for 2.5 years almost, so. $1,300 on this Santa short right now. Green 4,200 over on the day. If you haven't followed me on the Purple app, please give me a follow over there. Follow Ben, follow Jen, follow Lauren on TikTok, and follow the main BoldBot YouTube page. Tommy Toodles, welcome in. Good afternoon. I'm sorry I might not be able to see all the comments today because for some reason my TikTok live studio chat is not popping up over on the screen that I need to see it on. So I'm only able to use my phone to see the TikTok chat. But some algorithms are set to only take a few trades a day with set take profits and stop losses. Others, like the premium algorithms, they just use a stop loss, but some of them don't have a take profit. So, what's up, Canned? How you doing, brother? Yeah, it's definitely been a wild day, that's for sure. 300, 400, 500 point moves in a matter of 5 minutes. It's just nuts. Santa's doing good. When volatility is high, he usually does really well. Mac, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Liquidity is thin. See, that's something I need to learn for sure. FOMO's kicking in for sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a day where you can make a lot of money if you were on the right side of it. I know Kenny made his he made enough to afford a new house today. Let's just say that. Monique, welcome in. Good afternoon. I just watched Bookmap. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's one thing that gives me a headache trying to stare at that. I don't understand it. Not a lot of orders to break, so price moves easy. Oh, okay. That makes sense. This is just moving. This is crazy. All the standard algorithms are winners today, though. You can get them for $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that. He made enough with manual trading. Yeah, for sure. Hey, the Black Pearl, what's happening, man? Long time no see, for sure. How you been? Thank you for the heart, brother. I appreciate you. I can't see my other screen, my other chat on TikTok, so I have to use my phone. So if I miss a comment, I apologize. It's just not popping up on my screen. It's on my other desktop. It's weird. Anyway, it's hard to explain, but it usually pops up so I can see it, like it overlays onto my VPS when I'm logged in, but today it's not doing that. So, bro is trading thoughts and prayers. Yeah, I'm not trading right now. The algorithm's trading for me. I'm done. I'm done manual trading in a day like today, man. It's way too volatile for me to try and manually trade. If I do, I'm going to size way down and just scalp a little bit, but I'm letting the algorithms do it all, man. They did really good today. You can see Santa right now is in $1,000 short, $1,200 short. Already green, 3,700 on the day. Is it a cash account? No, it's right now. It's not on anything. I don't have this turned on a live account. It's in a simulation account just to show you what the algorithm can do. But my live accounts are shut off for the day. Too crazy. Too crazy for me to risk anything in this right now. I put the algorithms on micros earlier, and that was it. Let's see that stopped out. And it immediately wants to get into a long. And that's the thing. Santa takes a lot of trades here. So you got to be careful if you're going to use him. With the up, down, up, down, up, down. Lots of trades. He's looking for the reversal. Nothing else in a trade to show you, or I would. But the box seats, let's go through it once more. NQ early 1 for 225. ES new 1 for 2750. And NQ new 1 for 350. So that's 15, that's 32, 34, about 3,500 on the day. If you had one mini contract running on those box seats algorithms that you can get for $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that, if you email boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Now this is just kind of going sideways since 11:45, 11:30, no 11:45 ish. Just been range bound. Can't get below 17,247. Can't get above 17,450. I mean, that's a 200 point range, but it's range bound on a 15-minute chart if you look at it. Kind of forming a big old goofy looking bull flag, maybe? I don't know. It's probably going to pop up here. Who knows? It's just crazy, man. This market is very crazy, very volatile. Just be careful. Do you all set it up if I was to get box seats? No, we don't set it up, but we help you if you have problems. So yeah, for sure, you can exit out of the trade anytime you want. Yeah, that's the thing. Mine Santa, it has a big drawdown sometimes. So didn't one trade do like 7K today? I mean, I had one that ran like almost 4,000 earlier. And, you know, sometimes it's not always going to get everybody in the same trade. But Nicholas, yeah, we have Irma. She's an admin. She'll help you get set up. If you sign up for the box seats. Like, I don't know why he didn't get into this long here, you know what I mean? He was in the long, but he got stopped out of the long, and now it just ran up. So it's just crazy how this market's working. See about a premium alert here. See if we can give one out. Oh boy, we'll do, yeah, maybe. Okay. Yeah, that's too crazy. I can't even get a manual alert to go through here with, even with a 20-point stop loss. I mean, these candles and these wicks are just so big, so crazy, so volatile. It's not worth risking it. I mean, you would have to literally put like a 50-point stop loss on one micro to, and hope it moves 50 points in your direction to make any type of money. I don't know.